Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and in today's video we are just going to be doing a bunch of random cleaning around my house. And we're going to start here on the stairs, and I'm going to get very close so I can show you what I'm looking at here. You can see that there are these little black fuzzies all over the carpet, and what it is rubber mulch. We got a little bit of rubber mulch around a playground area at our house, and it is now getting tracked into my house. And so I've been definitely sweeping a bunch up, but I need to get these stairs vacuumed for sure. And there's a bunch of other fuzzies on there as well. So we'll get all these little black fuzzies, fuzzy mulch pieces off of the stairs. And then once I'm finished with this vacuuming, we're going to clean my twins' bedroom door. My 2-year-old got a hold of my eyeliner and decided to draw on this door. And at first I thought it was Sharpie, but it is not. It is just eyeliner. So we'll get some cleaner and then we'll clean that and get to some other random things around the house. Okay, so we are getting started here on the stairs, and I do usually will use my little handheld vacuum that I have to clean the stairs because it is just more convenient. But since these stairs are pretty bad, I'm gonna go ahead and bust out the big vacuum for this. I do have a Dyson Animal, and it has a pretty long hose that's meant for cleaning your stairs and other, hard to reach areas. So I can get pretty much halfway up my stairs with this hose, and then I'll have to go and take the vacuum up and then get the other half. But this is where we're going to start here today, and just have a lot of random things to do around the house. I'm going to be using this Zep foaming wall cleaner again, and I've used this a few times on some other some crayon and marker and things like that around my house that had gotten on walls, and it works very well. So I'll just take my blue microfiber, give that a spray, and get this eyeliner off the door. Alright, so the next random thing we're going to clean are some spots on my carpet, and I'm going to just kind of circle them with my finger here so you can see. You could probably see anyways, but I'll just kind of show you. Sometimes it's a little hard to see on the video. And this is going to be TMI, and I'll tell you what happened, but I believe happened. So one of my dogs, I believe it's my old boy Vector, I believe he got sick and barfed on the carpets last night and then ate it because, oh, and there's another spot. We're going to come over here and do another spot. And I say that because when I woke up, there were spots that looked, like they're suspicious. There were not spots there before, and there was obviously something there, but there's nothing there. So I think he got sick. I think then he ate it. And then there's this dried spot that I need to take care of. So I'm going to go in with some Resolve carpet cleaner and a scrubby from the Dollar Tree and just get some of these spots out as best as I can. And then once I finish cleaning them, I let them dry completely, and then I'll vacuum everything up, see how it looks. I might need to repeat the process, but this is what we're gonna do for now. Okay, so my next random task is just getting some laundry going. I every day have to do laundry. So I'm going to do a load of towels here, and then while I have that going, I also always have laundry that needs to be put away. So some of these got kind of unfolded because they were sitting there and the boys started going through trying to find some items. So I'll just quickly go through this little basket of laundry and get some items put away.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Okay, so now while I'm upstairs and I have the vacuum up here, I just kind of want to quickly give this playroom a nice little vacuuming with the big vacuum. And this playroom is not too messy. I will just put a few items away here and tidy up just real quickly. And then I'm going to get this room vacuumed, and then I'm also going to get the plexiglass up here cleaned with some glass cleaner.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I'm going to quickly clean this plexiglass, and I think I've for sure mentioned it, I think a few times now. We just have this up here for safety for our boys. When we bought this house, that was, just one of my main concerns, because they were climbers and would always climb over the banisters at our old house, and I just didn't want anything like that happening here. So my husband just installed these sheets of plexiglass that just basically keep them from being able to access the banister. I don't like them touching it, but they do touch it, and so I just give it a quick clean with just regular glass cleaner when I'm cleaning up here.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? want you here.
Okay, so my last little random cleaning task I'm going to do today is I'm just going to organize these toy bins and clean off that little shelving unit. These bins, I'm really trying to keep them a lot better organized so my kids can actually play with items in here and they don't just end up storage, but actual, toys that can be played with throughout the day. And we can find the proper parts and all that good stuff. So I've emptied out all the bins. I'm going to go through and put all the like toys together, some of the plus blocks and cars and things like that, and Mr. Potato Head parts all have little bags that I keep them in, and then some of the other just bigger toys will go into a bag. But that's what I'm going to do here, and it will be the last little random task that I will do today, and just get these toys nice and organized.
Though I want your touch, baby, that's so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, that's so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last.
Alright, so I am going to get this little shelving unit wiped down and dusted here quickly. And then I'm going to get everything put back. I will get the little blue bins all put back, as well as some of the larger toys that they like to play with that we keep down here. I'll put some of those back as well. And my plant, that was a Hope philodendron. So anyways, this is the end of the video, and I just want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I really, really, really appreciate you watching, and if you enjoyed watching this video, maybe consider watching another one. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye!